Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check in online with EasyJet. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official EasyJet website. Once the home page has loaded, look at the top of the page where you will see several menu options. Find and click on the check-in button to start the online check-in process. After clicking the check-in button, you will be taken to the check-in page. Here, EasyJet will ask you to provide some information to access your booking. First, enter your surname exactly as it appears on your booking confirmation. Make sure the spelling matches correctly. Next, enter your booking reference number in the required field. Once you have entered both pieces of information, you will see a permission or confirmation box that needs to be checked. Tick the box to confirm the required information, and then click Continue to move to the next step. You will now be asked to provide your passport details and any other travel information required for your flight. Carefully enter all the requested information and review it before proceeding. Accurate details are important to avoid any issues when traveling. During the check-in process, EasyJet may offer you the option to select a preferred seat. If you would like to choose a specific seat, you can pay the applicable fee. If you decide not to select a seat, EasyJet will automatically assign a seat to you at random. After completing all the required steps, your online check-in will be finished. EasyJet will then provide your boarding pass in PDF format. You can download the PDF file directly to your device. If you prefer a paper copy, you can also print the boarding pass and keep it with your travel documents. Thanks for watching.